I do not face the name. We must be the American way. The American way of the way.
Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Fastest Engine, episode 104. Today's competing engines are Reboot Young Bell, Crash and Repair Diesel 10, Frosting Diesel, 80th Birthday Thomas, Turbo Thomas, Dart, Kevin, and Whiff. Now, let's get started with the quarterfinals. Reboot Young Bell versus Crash and Repair Diesel 10. Next up, Frosting Diesel versus 80th Birthday Thomas.
And then
Turbo Thomas versus Dart. Finishing up the quarterfinals, Kevin versus Whiff. Semi-finals time with Reboot Young Bell versus Frosting Diesel.
with 4 engines remaining.
Now I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke.
Reboot Young Bell is off to the finals. Who will he face? Turbo Thomas or Kevin?
I say it's Turbo Thomas.
Let's see. Final round, Reboot Young Bell versus Turbo Thomas. Turbo Thomas is the winner.
Don't stop dancing because of me.